ni ritogo chaka eskuru yoboroso yegetonto yegotoka imya South Mogrango litukulia lero bono igo yanyara gekugurwe birasi bitano ebi byanyara biko wachwa inse yobraibwae moteneli na wigo muwaziri bobulendo ime Dr. Fred Matiang'i uyo nyalete gakora eskuru yo enyarege kwa gachwa abara amona abarai igo obaikirana ase ensemeyo asokoroto tokuguro kwe birasi bitano gati yabaraibe serikali baikirana asomoyogoyo ngamo n'umuwaziri w'isemi Professor George Magoha abwatani abuna bono omubunge o South Mogrango Zirifanasi Osoro omubunge Dagoret North Simbarati nabo igomuri kyobotambe aze ewizara yobocheni susani mochache gati yabande buna umusekyeito obwamangana ya Ndemo Steven agotomanya.
Abarai ao bakora unomo waziri w'uburendi bwaime omosike Fred Matiang'i nomo waziri w'isemi George Magoha mbaikira ase skuru y'oboroso yegetonto imeye bunge ya South Mogrango asomega boko igore birasi ebinya byagachwa imeye skuru eyo.
I want to thank my brother Matiang'i, the Honorable MP Soro, and the professionals, some of whom I know, that this should be an example for the whole country. So we appreciate what has been done, and because of that, we are also going to ensure that we make 2 million shillings available to add to the construction of the classroom.
Honorable Waziri, I'm very happy for what you've done, and that is why in general I work siasa here Kongo, because I'm very happy because ibina nyori no busuku sana mundara kwa ne njiragete Kongo. Akiri birasi na nyori na iguru biasa ngesera na ende bitatu biyo bitatu na injenge ese bitatu eskuru yegetontere. Osema.
I agree with you, Mheshimiwa Osoro. We are now going to move to another phase of doing another 3 or 4 classrooms here. Hiyo pesa umesema utatoa ya CTF 2 million na sisi professionals tutakuongezea the same amount of money 2 million. Iwe 4 million.
Abarai n'abanyakenya niko bacengero murobelyo yo asabwatani ao bate bagochikonyosira eliye birasi binde byagachwe imeye skuru eyo n'ekinde kiraganye obokonyi.
Kigango ili bageri toiraniryo munene mbiyamono asogo tureta muri tukebya lero waziri bono tugotolese ino igo tutagete go appreciate gaiga asa abantu bamino otebanga watoiro borayo buya oborayi bwenyenzo amagenderero twakorire gusia asenyenzo yo borayi bwao no amagenderero amange kaira school is just one of the schools omwaziri atubekiramo tuagate
Niga barai batume komego yuko ikeliengana yogo sambwa wechi skuru abwase basange birengeri byabo asinchera chiabene chirake yebikoru ebyo ebibe.
As you see here, I have achieved everything on my own, and I was canned many times. I did not die, I became better.
Ni kwamba there is no reason for you to ban the schools, the dormitories ambazo mnatumia. Tafadhali tunaomba kwamba watoto wote mahali mpo, kwa sababu ile ni mali ya wazazi wenu. Tafadhali tuache kuchoma mashule.
Kinko ripoti regeta seni kia Ndizi TV, Elietaliane, Ndemo Steven.